023 Atiku Okowa 2023. I have my co-pilot here with me, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, keeping track on all navigation systems. Our destination is a united Nigeria. Right now we're cruising at 22 feet above sea level. Before we arrive at our destination, let me give you a brief update on what to expect at our destination. Number 1, the temperature is going to be hot on security issues. 2, the people are going to be better educated, and the educational system and healthcare will be accessible to every citizen. 3, the economy is going to be thriving and booming. And of course, there'll be true federalism. This and many more to be expected for a united and prosperous Nigeria. So sit back and relax, and before you know it, if we all join hands together, we shall arrive at the new united Nigeria we all dream of soon enough. My name is Atiku Abubakar. As one, we can get it done.
His Excellency Labaran Maku, CON. Let me honor once again distinguished Senator Roland Owi. I'd like to honor the gracious presence of Chief Mrs. Jumoke Akinjide, the Thank you very much. Please, let's get seated. Let's get organized. We'll promise you we'll be announcing all of our leaders, as many as get to us, before His Excellency gets here and the event commences formally. But for now, we'll continue to announce them. Let me honor Ambassador Dr. Hassan Adamu, CON, Wakiling Adamawa, the Chancellor Enugu State University, Science and Technology. I would like to honor all of the Atiku support groups that are in the house. All Atiku support groups that are in the house. All Atiku support groups that are in the house: Atiku Grassroots Mobilization Alliance, People's Mandate, Amalgamated Atiku Support Organization, ASO, Atiku Global Movement, Atiku Canvassers Movement, Kasgi, Atiku Youth Wing, Vote Right Ambassadors Group. All of you, we honor and recognize you. Let me also honor Honorable Alhaji Adamu Malua Aliu, the former senatorial aspirant, former Deputy Governor of Zamfara, His Excellency Mahdi Mohammed Aliu. We honor and welcome you. Ambassador Bagudu Hirse, former Minister, State Foreign Affairs. Please, I don't know why you're here.
Please, may I draw the attention of all concerned. Please do not inundate the announcers' days with your preferred list of announcements. We have our own protocol list, and will ensure that we give due recognition to those who are by protocol listed and therefore deserving of our recognition. I will not, and I repeat, we will not take papers from anyone. We will not take cards. We will not patronize anybody coming to give us cards or names. We have protocol officers that we have designated to go around and pick those names, and they will bring those names to us. You will do yourself, and you will do us a great deal of favor. Please do not bring any paper to us. When you look around this hall, there are hundreds that are deserving of special recognition. And indeed, we appreciate and recognize each and every one of you present here. But please do not, because it does appear that we are having issues trying to get organized. We're not here for recognition. We are here for something that is of a higher grade called a program. And we need to execute that program to its deepest conclusion, and albeit successfully. May I please once again request those of you in the middle of this park, on the red carpet especially, to please exit the red carpet, get a seat, and let us be organized. Special recognition to my friend and elder, Earl Osaro Onaivu, who is also a chieftain of the PDP. And whenever an event like this is organized, when you say red carpet, the name of Earl Osaro Onaivu comes to mind. Special recognition to His Excellency, the former Speaker of the House of Representatives. You're welcome, and please help me welcome His Excellency Umar Gali Naabba, a former Speaker of the Federal House of Representatives.
Thank you very much once again, Your Excellencies, Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished Senators of the Federal Republic, honorable members of the Federal House of Representatives, and members of the various state houses of assembly, honorable commissioners present, our party leaders, national, state, local governments, and down to all other levels, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you again into the International Conference Center, the venue of today's historic and august event, the event that we simply name Atiku Abubakar Books Presentation. We thank you indeed for coming shortly, not too long. I'd like to assure you that His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic in waiting, will be making his entrance, and the moment he arrives, this event will take its full and proper course. Meanwhile, let me again beg those who are standing in the aisle, those who are standing in the walkway, please find a seat and sit down. There are still seats, and if the seats down in the hall are filled up, there is still enough room in the gallery. You can still go up the gallery. There is still enough room to accommodate more than you can imagine. Please, if you are still standing, find a place and sit. Assure all of the aides that are worried about their principals that your principals are safe. They are safe. Your principals are safe. please find a place and sit. We will not be glad, we will not be happy to have people standing in the aisle. I'd like to honor distinguished Senator Maiba. Distinguished Senator will honor you. Honorable Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, the Honorable Commissioner, Works and Energy Development, Adamawa State. Sir, will welcome you. I'd like to honor the gracious presence of His Excellency, distinguished Senator Sanusi Dagash, who is with us. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please, as their excellencies find their place to sit, other people, can you please kindly return? Let me announce the gracious presence and entrance of His Excellency, the next President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, MSc, GCON, Waziri Adamawa.
Finally, PDP is taking over, and nothing can stop it. Listen. Finally, PDP is taking over. Finally, Atiku Abubakar is taking over. Finally. Are you sure? Are you the same? PDP is taking over. Finally. All this Cambodia is Atiku Abubakar is taking over. Finally. Listen, all this state in Nigeria, I say now PDP get a more. I saw that now we get a more. PDP has taken over. Finally. PDP is taking over. Finally. Atiku Abubakar is taking over. Finally. Morale. Nobody getting moral like PDP. Morale. Nobody getting moral like Atiku. Let me hear you say. Morale. Nobody getting moral like PDP. Morale. You know they are talking. Nobody getting moral like Atiku. Morale. Nobody getting moral like PDP. Morale. So nobody getting moral like Atiku. Finally, PDP is taking over in Jesus' name. Thank you, Admiral Pikin.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. May I respectfully, one more time, request that all our invited guests and all the sea of cameramen and my colleagues in the media that are accompanying our standard bearer, His Excellency Waziring Adamawa Atiku Abubakar, for vantage and vintage shots to kindly clear the front of the dais. And those of you who are in the middle of the park, please take your seats on the gallery, because we cannot have people standing while others are seated to your left and to your right. It does not look like we have, or we're going to have an organized house. It is important that all cameramen, everybody, should clear the frontage of these days, unless you are a live action camera person, which means you're going live on any of the national networks, whether you are on NTA or channels or AIT or Arise or TVC, and on live camera, then you are strategically located. The rest of the camera crew should stay to the left or to the right of these days. This event is a special program, and you shouldn't be seen to be interfering in the line of sight of our dignitaries, and indeed in the line of sight of cameras that are strategically located to cover this event. May we please, all of you who have cameras, everyone that is standing in front of these days, to please clear out. Everybody that is in front of these days should please clear out. I will ask our respective security agencies to do the needful. If we can't have it done the proper way, then we might have to enforce the protocols. Please, once again, we insist that everybody should clear from the front of our dignitaries. Look, from the announcers' days, we can't even see you. I can only see Senator Abdul Ahmed Ningi, leader, in this occasion. May I recognize a foot soldier in his own right, a distinguished senator in his own right, a public affairs analyst in his own right, Senator Dino Melaye, the spokesperson of the Atiku Okowa campaign organization. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please be seated. Those of you standing in front of our standard bearer and in front of the VIP seats, I would request you to kindly clear so that we can have a proper eye-to-eye contact with them. Okay, I have been directed to inform you by the protocol and the organizers of this event. All cameramen that are in front, to the left and to the right, you should clear to the extreme left and you should clear to the extreme right. You use your zoom lenses to ensure that you capture the event. Ladies and gentlemen, the national anthem. second stanza of the national anthem should be our adopted prayers. May we sing together the second stanza of the national anthem of the Federal Republic as our adopted prayers.
O God of compassion,
Creation,
after the count of two,
because guide our leaders right. Help us use the truth to know, in love and honesty to grow. I'm not happy at all. Please, ladies and gentlemen, be seated. I want to plead with our colleagues on the left side of this aisle. As the second stanza of the national anthem was being taken as prayer, you gentlemen, you, our colleagues, are busy talking. Hello? Hello? Please excuse me. You cannot be a problem to this occasion. Your Excellency, the standard bearer of the PDP, our own candidate, Atiku Abubakar, the Waziri of Adamawa, the presidential candidate, the standard bearer of our great party, the PDP, of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and by the grace of God, a president come May 2023, the chairman of our great party, distinguished Senator Iochia Ayu, the deputy standard bearer, His Excellency Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, the executive governor of Delta State, Your Excellency, Her Excellency, the wife of our standard bearer, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, Your Excellencies, the executive governors of the PDP in our most cherished PDP states, the deputy national chairman, and all members of the National Working Committee of the PDP, His Excellency, the former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Architect Muhammad Namadi Sambo, members of the National Assembly here present, Your Excellencies, the Deputy Governors, Your Excellencies, the standard bearers of our party in the 36 states, honorable ministers, I'd like to draw your attention to the fact that we are not only organized, we're not hearing Adamawa Atiku Abubakar to the development of democracy in Nigeria. And I want, by way of retrospective recollection, remind this audience and remind all Nigerians that are watching on live television that the life and times of Atiku Abubakar cannot be completely captured in just 3 books. His life is an encyclopedic analysis of a man who has contributed immensely to the growth and development of democracy in Nigeria. For the record, and I want all of you to please note that in terms of political contest, Atiku Abubakar has set the pace. In the former Gongola state, he contested for the governorship of the state, and then he was not particularly lucky. Just at about the time he was contesting for the second contest, Gongola state was divided into two, and he came and contested eventually under the auspices of the PDP and won the election. But as God will have it, he was called upon to do a higher service to the country when he was
from it and move ahead. Please, you're welcome once more.
Your Excellencies, Royal Highnesses, distinguished Senators of the Federal Republic, honorable members, House of Representatives, our leaders, national and otherwise, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is now with profound honor and pleasure that I have the singular task of bringing to stage the chairman of the organizing committee of this occasion. The chairman is none other but my leader, my former governor, a man of great path, former minister of the Federal Republic. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me as I make welcome to join us on stage His Excellency Mr. Boni Haruna, the chairman of this event. Chairman of the organizing committee.
My friend, make you look your back, look your front, make you see better where they come.
Let's usher him with this. PDP! No, the sound is not enough. PDP! Power! Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, the presidential candidate of our party and former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, GCON, our national chairman, ably represented by the deputy national chairman, the chairman of this occasion, our own former Vice President Namadi Sambo, the chairman of Board of Trustees, the special guests of honor, our governors, serving and former, our ministers, our senators, our House of Representatives, our members of the National Working Committee, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Let me, on behalf of the organizing committee for this occasion, request all of us to be on our feet for a minute silence in honor of Barrister Abdullahi Nyako, who was a member of this committee and who has been called to glory. Please, in silence, let's be on our feet for a minute silence. Silence, please. May the Lord grant him eternal rest. May the Lord comfort his family, immediate family. May the Lord comfort our leader, the former Vice President, and give them the fortitude to bear the loss. Please be seated. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure I welcome you to this peculiar gathering that revolves around our great party, the PDP, and our presidential candidate, Atiku Abubakar Wazirin Adamawa, the former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and by the grace of God, the next President of this nation. Excuse me, please. 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 We are in a serious business. Can we be quiet, please?
Please, gentlemen, be quiet. Thank you.
Let me thank the leadership of our great party, the PDP, for accepting the special arrangement made to manage our time and resources in this event. This event is unique because it is 2 in 1. It is also unique because although we have come from different directions, we are heading for one direction. And the common direction is that of the mission of our party, the PDP, to rescue our country, Nigeria, under the leadership of our presidential candidate, former Vice President Atiku, through the mandate of the people. I welcome you all to this event of today, which is the presentation of some books that tell the story of the man Atiku. His childhood and formative development, his struggles as an orphan who grew up to overcome the challenges of lack and deprivation to become the political colossus that he is today, a businessman and a philanthropist. These books tell the story of former Vice President Atiku's vision for national unity, growth, and development. His role in our country's democratic rebirth during the last military regime, his struggles in deepening of our nascent democracy through judicial feats and processes, which have added value to the body of language in jurisprudence and constitutionalism. Above all, in his book on restructuring, he takes us on a broad outline why he thinks it is inevitable in order to address the existing contradictions in our political union as a nation. Your Excellencies, permit me to reveal that former Vice President Atiku is a shy person and is not too eager at telling his own story, particularly when it is necessary. But like Chinua Achebe said, and I quote, "The story of hunting will always favor the hunter until the hunted becomes the storyteller." There is no doubt that former Vice President Atiku has been a victim of this weakness of his not wanting to tell his own story for long. The consequence has been that political opponents have cashed on it to spread unfounded rumors and cocktail of lies against his person, and in the process cause monumental misunderstanding to his public perception. And I dare say that former Vice President Atiku has been the haunted in Nigerian politics. And I want, as a way of testimony, and it is very important, when I was the governor of Adamawa State for 8 good years, 1999 and 2000 to 2007, 2 very damaging rumors were going around at that time. One was that I was always sharing money with Vice President Atiku from my security vote. But I want to say, and my younger brother, Governor Fintri, is here, I have never, in my 8 years as a governor, taken security vote, let alone share it with former Vice President Atiku. I have never. The second damaging rumor during my time as governor and when he was Vice President was that the American university he established, that it was established or built with Adamawa money. If I can remember, the American University, Yola, started in 2005 or thereabout, the construction. And I remember to have gone to the site and assessed the buildings that were going on, the constructions that were going on that time. And it was to the tune of almost 5 billion. Meanwhile, my monthly receipt was within the range of 800 to 900 million. So tell me, at what point was I able to gather over almost 5 billion to give Vice President Atiku to build American University of Yola? I left office 15 years ago. These rumor mongers should also be asked now. How has American University been funded since I left office? Since I have not been there now for the past 15 years, how has the university been funded? So these are some of the very damaging rumors, lies that were being paraded around and which had caused and still cause monumental misunderstanding to his perception to the perception of his personality. Your Excellency, there is no other better time than now for Nigerians to know about you. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I am not the Booker's reviewer. I'm only welcome you in appreciation of your presence here today. You are most welcome. Enjoy as we watch and listen to the word about Atiku. Thank you very much.
Please put your hands once more together for His Excellency, the Chairman of the Organizing Committee, former Governor Boni Haruna. I'd like to invite take this very special moment to garnish charity that begins at home by introducing my governor, His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Bauchi State, Senator Bala Abdul Qadir Mohammed Kauram Bauchi, and the Chairman the Deputy Chairman of the Presidential Campaign Council of the Northern Territory. Your Excellency, you're welcome. We will now introduce Her Excellency, the First Lady. May I request you to kindly welcome the addressed and our most eminent dignitaries keep streaming in the most dignified manner. Please welcome the former Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator David Mark. He is also within our midst with a big round of applause from wherever you are seated. Equally present is another former Senate President, Senator Anyim Pius Anyim. Please put your hands together for these gentlemen. May I invite our chief host, a distinguished Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Philip Aduda, to come and make his presentation. As he walks, you cannot miss the sights, even if you don't hear the sounds, of His Excellency Ambassador Bello Damagu, the PDP National Chairman, National Deputy Chairman, who is seated next to the former Vice President, Architect Muhammad Namadi Sambo. Most distinguished Senator Philip Aduda, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. The former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, our own dear candidate of the PDP for the presidential elections of the 2023 general elections. His running mate, His Excellency Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, our former Vice President, His Excellency Namadi Sambo, the executive governors of our various states, former Senate President, former Speaker, House of Representatives. Let me especially also recognize my own dear mommy and auntie, Her Excellency, the wife of the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar. Let me recognize all of you who have come from far and near, our party leaders. Let me welcome all of you to this wonderful occasion. As the chief host, mine is to welcome you all and to wish you well. But because we have two programs, one is for book launch of a dynamic man who has made history and has created history, and who by the grace of God Almighty will be our president by the grace of God come February 2023. Let me also mention here that the second program running today is the inauguration of the campaign council. Let me ask all of us as the minority leader that we must put all our hands on deck and ensure victory for our party. We must call all together as one indivisible people to ensure victory for the PDP. All over the nation, the primaries are over, and it is time to roll our sleeves and work to ensure victory. Because there is no alternative, and I repeat, there is no alternative to victory. Victory is sweet, and we must ensure victory. So for everybody, the party, we must all come together as one people to work for the victory of not only His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, but for ourselves. Because without victory, we will be nowhere, and we must rescue Nigeria, whether we like it or not, from the grip and the hands of the APC. So I implore all of us to come together, all our friends and brothers who are not happy with certain things that is going on, we must come together. There's no alternative to this by the grace of God. Let us come together and ensure victory. With these very few remarks, I welcome you all to the Federal Capital Territory. May God grant us all our heart desires and meet us at the point of our need. May God Almighty take us back to our various destinations very well as we celebrate this iconic citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, distinguished Senator Philip Tanimo Aduda, JP, MFR. Thank you indeed, the chief host of this event. Let me now invite the man who is going to come bring the remarks of the chairman of the occasion to please
Thank you very much, distinguished Senator Philip Aduda. Please put your hands together once more for Senator Philip Aduda. May I, at this point, respectfully invite the chairman of this very auspicious, very important occasion, a former Vice President of the Federal Republic, His Excellency Architect Muhammad Namadisambo, GCON. We need another bigger round of applause. Thank you. Daram dam dam. You're welcome, Your Excellency. Thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Your Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, Wazirin Adamawa, and our incoming President, inshallah. I'd like to specially recognize your beautiful wives, Haja Titi Abubakar and Haja Rukaya Abubakar. Your Excellency, my brother, Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, the Governor of Delta State, and our Vice President, inshallah. His Excellency, Senator Iyochia Ayu, our great national chairman, ably represented here by Ambassador Bello Damagum, the Vice Chairman North. His Excellency, Senator Adolphus Guabara, the Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the PDP. My brother, Your Excellency, Right Honorable Aminu Tambuwal, Matawallen Sokoto, the seat of the Caliphate, and Governor of Sokoto State, and Chairman of the PDP Governors Forum. Former Senate Presidents, Your Excellencies, our serving and former governors here present, members of the National Assembly our royal father and father of the day, His Royal Highness Barkinto Aliyu Mustafa Gelamido of Adamawa. The mother of the day, Professor Stella Efon, the national woman leader of PDP. The book's presenters, Professor Maxwell Girado-san, His Excellency, former Governor Boni Haruna, and Chairman of the organizing committee, and all other members of the committee, our great women and youth, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Today is a great day, and all thanks belongs to Almighty Allah, the Lord of the Alamin, who has graciously granted us this day to witness this very important event of presenting the books Atiku Abubakar and the inauguration of the presidential campaign for the People's Democratic Party that will, inshallah, lead Alhaji Atiku Abubakar to the presidential villa, inshallah. There are 3 books that are being presented today. The story of Atiku Abubakar, the landmark constitutional laws cases in Nigeria, and restructuring as a pathway to unity and development. My duty today is not to present any paper or speak. I'm chairing the occasion and ensuring that it is properly conducted. But I'm not oblivious of this singular opportunity to take a last paragraph in one of the books. And it says, the Waziri of Adamawa, Atiku Abubakar, is no doubt the most adequately prepared presidential candidate who understands Nigeria's challenges and has the capacity to address them. You can't read this book without appreciating him as a political driver who not only has the experience to drive the car, but also knows the road on how to rescue Nigeria. It is very important that at this stage, that from today, the campaign commences for that journey. It is really important that we all put our hands on deck, cooperate fully with each other, and ensure victory at the end of the day. Let us now relax and listen carefully to the book reviewer, presenters, unveilers, and launchers. Thank you, and God bless you all. Assalamu alaikum.
Power to the people. PDP. My fellow Nigerians, let's give our votes to Atiku Okowa for President 2023.
Thank you very much, Chairman of Occasion, for declaring this very event open. This is a book launch, don't forget, and for want of time, we have been directed to hasten with the agenda. We are supposed to take musical interlude, but for now, we'll take spoken word by Miriam. It's a presentation that we'll watch now, and after that, we'll take musical interlude. While they're getting ready, please, want to specially recognize again the wife of our President, May 2023, Her Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, and Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, both of them here. Our president incoming is a good husband, a good father. That's an attestation. Please, presentation, please. Please, let's watch the screen. Thank you very much.
All right, while the presentation is getting ready to come up, let me honor the gracious presence of His Excellency, the former governor of Osun State, Prince Olagusore Onyilola. Sir, we honor you. Let me also graciously honor the presence of Mr. Kenneth Amaswabon, the rice man, as they call him, four-time gubernatorial candidate from Edo State. Let me equally honor the gracious presence of our mother, Josephine Aneni. Ma, we welcome you. General Kenneth Minima, retired, former Chief of Army Staff. General Mustafa Oloyibeta, the ADC to the former President Yaradua. We honor and welcome you.
Also recognizing the entrance of the chairman of the Board of Trustees, His Excellency Senator Adolphus Wabara. I would like to request that we dim the lights for the documentary begin. May the technical crew, please. We're ready, we're good to go with the documentary, so let's hit the screen. While that is being done, I'd like to recognize my colleague who will be also part of the Compare Bouquet, a broadcast journalist and anchor of Kakaki program on AIT. Adara, are you here? Adara Onyecheme, she will be co-emceeing with us, and for the record, she's also the... Okay, we're good to go. Dim the lights.
The king was once a peasant, a humble son to parents and humble men. A firm hand on the plow, shepherds of rolling herd. This story did not begin in the wealthiest of homes. Or strange story with gold and silver spoons, deep industries, garnished with privilege. In this story, the king was once a peasant, a humble son to parents of humble men. A firm hand on the fowl, shepherds of rolling herds, fetching feed for the famished of the flock. There was no power in his homestead, but everyone agreed. His heart shone with the radiance of 1,000 fireflies, regardless of how dark the night. These were different times, grassroots times. Kojoli was the place he first learned to dream, under the soft glow of crackling firewood flame, to ask, what miracle can these proper hands grow? And to pray the prayer of a seed in dirt. From dirt is a fertile ground for the germination of being. This landscapes in all their glorious bodies. With the hint of his father's education, it seemed like the future would be full of doors no son of ever would be able to unlock. But destiny is a double shot, chasing and chasing until it caught him in Jada. God bless Kauai, who had learned to believe, even in those grassroots times grazed by doubt. He would register the little dreamer in the school and did not scorn his baby steps as if to say, yes, even the Iroko was once a tender sibling, learning to survive the rage of seasons. So dream, let the stars guide you.
Another round of applause for Alhaji Islam. That was remarkable. Her name is Miriam Hassan Boka from Borno State, and her stage name is Alhaji Islam. And she said, for her, eating failure like yams. And I'll say eating failure like yams, when you eat so much starch, you have kwashiorkor. So we are tired of eating starch, and a bond of hope has risen in the person of His Excellency, of course, Atiku Abubakar. Please, a round of applause for him. A round of applause. Now, what is music without dance, they say? So our next performance will be by a group called Afri Theater. Are you ready? Good. And they will be also doing a dance on unity. Thank you very much. Yeah, I think we need three.
Peter, we need one more microphone. Yeah? Microphone, one more.
Oh, Wanilan, Bela Ruge. Oh, Wanilan, Bela Ruge. Oh, Wanilan, Bela Ruge. Oh, Wanilan, Bela Ruge. Eba wagbe Nigeria laruge. Oh, Wanilan, Bela Ruge. Ewa wagbe Nigeria laruge. Oh, Wanilan, Bela Ruge. Oh, Wanilan, Bela Ruge. Oh, Wanilan, Bela Ruge. Eba wagbe Nigeria laruge. Oh, Wanilan, Ewa wagbe Nigeria laruge. Oh, Wanilan, Bela Ruge. Cha 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 cha. Hausa kwenu, Yoruba kwenu, Igbo kwenu, Nigeria kwenu. Bien. Mate!
Put your hands together for this wonderful treat of a combination of Yoruba, Hausa, Fulani, and Igbo, and Swange, if you are from Benue State. I'm sure wherever they are now, I'm reliably told they are watching this program and having a cup of tea or lunch together. His Excellency, the chairman of the party, and his Benue compatriot, the governor, somewhere having lunch and watching this program together, especially the Swange part, which they share common heritage and a commonality of ethnicity in that respect. I'd like to invite my colleague to introduce the next event, and we keep steam rolling.
Thank you very much, sir. Again, thank you, the cultural troupe, for that passage of entertainment. The cultural dance equally speaks to the unification of this country, of the various and the diverse tribes and cultures that represent Nigeria. And that also speaks to the name of our presidential candidate, the unifier. Please put your hands together for that. Thank you indeed. At this point, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to bring the remarks of the father of the day. The father of the day, His Royal Highness, the Lamido of Adamawa, Dr. Muhammadu Barkindo Aliu Mustafa Lamido Fombina, the premier ruler of Adamawa State. All right, I beg your pardon. I've been asked just before that, Your Royal Highness, I beg your pardon. I have been asked to invite His Excellency again, apologies for the conflicting information and instructions. We will take the dance drama. If those that are presenting the dance drama are ready, would like to now take the dance drama. And while they get ready to come, I'd like to honor the gracious presence of Pastor Umo Eno, our gubernatorial candidate for Akwa Ibom, together with his deputy, and of course, Senator Chris Ekpenyong. All of you, I honor your gracious presence. Alhaji Aliyu Ismaila Numan, Tarakim Bata, we honor your gracious presence also. I welcome you. Now, while the drama people are still getting ready, I will also take this time to honor the gracious presence of my governor, the executive governor of Adamawa State, the man we call the fresh air governor, the ATM governor, the projects master, His Excellency, the Right Honorable Ahmadu Umaru Fintri, the governor of the next president of the Federal Republic. Your Excellency, welcome.
Also recognizing Professor Obiora Okonkwo, the chairman of United Nigeria Airlines, together with His Excellency, a former minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Ambassador Bagudu Hirse. I saw him seated somewhere together with Chief Raymond, High Chief in that regard, Ala-Igbo Dokpesi. Please hold on the documentary. The cultural troupe is to perform. In the next 30 seconds, if you are not on stage, I will rule that the documentary commences. Well, as you can see, these are the ominous signs of the moment. Hunger, bad economy, ASU strike, unemployment, bad roads, inflation, and the list goes on and on. It is the sad story of a present-day Nigeria, and it only exists in the realm and the minds and thoughts and actions of the misgovernance that we all see, that is the hallmark of the APC. And that is why we are good to go. On our marks, set.
My eye. APC, water run away my aye, aye, water run away. Aye, aye, water run away me. When I remember poverty, water run away me. Aye, aye, water run away me. When I remember corruption, water run away me, ayo. Water run away me, aye, water run away. When I remember ASU strike, water run away me, ayo. When I remember insecurity, water run away me, ayo.
When I remember kidnapping, water run away me, ayo.
When I remember unemployment, water run away me, ayo.
When I remember bad roads, water run away me eye.
When I remember inflation, water run away me ayo.
When I remember insecurity, water run away my eyes. When I remember insecurity, water run away my eyes.
Every time. Look at my farmland. I can't go to farm anymore for the fear of being kidnapped. I built my first house as a proud farmer, but because of the current inflation, I had to sell it off to pay my debt. I have no farm produce. I have nothing to feed my family with. School fees pulling me on the left. House rent pulling me on the right. Leaders of tomorrow, they say, when we are not even sure of today. Michael, Uchenna, Ali, even Nek have all gone overseas seeking for a better future. The last time I called, she was speaking big English. I have tried to get a job. With the certificates, I spent years and years to acquire. But where are the jobs? Where are the jobs? Is this the future? Is this the future we hope to see? I don't think so. I have to end this. I have to end this. Let me end it.
Please don't do this. Once there is life, there is hope. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Atiku is coming and is bringing light to us. My brother, please don't do this. Please don't do this. Calm down, my brother. He is coming. He's bringing light. He's coming to rescue Nigeria. Yes, my brother. I'm very sure, my brother. Please don't kill yourself. Please.
I need a driver. Yes, we do. I need a very, very good driver. Very good one. I am desperate. Very desperate. For a good driver. Are you not seeing how things are going? I can see. Are you not tired? I am very tired. Can you get me a driver? We'll keep looking.
Madam, I hear say you the fine driver. I sabi this boy, yo. He tell me say he sabi drive. But the thing be say, he even tell me say he get driver's license. But the thing be say he never drive before. But he promise me say if you give him this job, he go dey drive you well. Now young boy, young fine boy.
Madam, no worry. I dey here now. You the fine driver. Madam, I get fine handsome driver. The driver don't drive for 4 good years. Madam, 4 years. Madam, if you still want me, you still get more experience. If you dey learn with your car, madam.
Wait. Just wait first, wait.
Madam, see, don't mind these yeye people. They like to they put their mouth of waiting no consign them. Me, I get driver for you. And this driver, he get good 15 years experience. 15? Yes, madam, I tell you. You see, you go just sit down, relax your back, and you go they drive you to the go. You see, all this water on the road. If we maneuver am, come hear something, madam. You don't drive truck before. You don't even drive caterpillar. The best thing be say you can't get good ogbonge experience.
My people, this matter dey everywhere now. As we don't hear about all these drivers, which the matter be say, which one we go carry our kaya? We go carry our wahala, carry follow.
You?
Yes, madam.
Lena?
No, na fine boy. He know the chop for road. If this my driver
Wait,
I go dey road.
You know that he doesn't.
He know the chop for road.
Make hunger give me.
No. Hey, madam, maybe you the chop.
Wait. 4 years.
Madam, he get 4 years old, and the man fine where the man tall sef.
Fine, we want chop.
Madam, na 4 years old. 4 years na still experience now.
Okay. 4 years. Another learner. Use me to learn again. No. As for me, I go choose the one we get 15 years ogbonge experience. All this one, are you not tired? Are you not tired? My friend, if it's you, who will you follow?
My dear, if I be you, this your car. You know if it give driver, we no get better experience. Now this same car, you dey use enter road, where insecurity dey. Now this same precious car, you dey carry go market, go buy food for your family members. So my advice for you be say, make you pick the driver wey get ogbonge experience, wey get 15 years experience. How you take see am?
Me, I go follow who no road. As for you, who una go follow?
We go follow who no road.
This sickness. Every time, sickness. I'm tired.
Sister, I not feeling fine.
I'm not feeling fine. Are you not seeing it?
And when I can't see you. Your body hot too.
It's hot. Why won't it be hot?
Is that the body is doing?
That's how it's doing me.
Have you tried all these small petty pharmacy?
What have I not taken? What have they not given me? I'm tired.
There's one hospital at the junction.
You know somebody there?
They said they are doing very, very well. Let's go and try that place.
Help me. Let's go.
Your body's hot too. Sorry.
Good day, ma.
You're welcome. How may we help you?
This is my brother.
Hello, brother. Hello, sister.
Madam.
Yes.
There is nothing I've not taken for this, my illness.
Oh, sorry, ma.
Is it agbo? Is it injection? What if Miss Penalty Lord throwing now?
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, ma.
He said there is something you can give me. What is
ma.
it?
Ma, you are in the right hospital. As it is, we have a very young doctor. He's new on the job, though, with very little experience, but he can consult with you.
Is that all?
We also have a very experienced doctor. He's old and matured, and he's able to touch you, the hand of God. You will be healed. So, ma, you should go with the mature doctor. Yes, ma.
I will go with that one.
Okay.
That last one.
All right. And to you, my fellow Nigerians, ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria is sick.
Thank you
Nigeria
very
has
much.
been
If we
bruised.
have all day, we would like to watch you. Thank you very much. Please, a round of applause for them. Thank you. We are going fast on the program, moving forward. But I have a little announcement. The candidates will not go home after the book launch, because immediately after the unveiling of the book launch, the inauguration of the PCC will start with the same audience. Thank you very much. We recognize the wife of our incoming Vice President, Her Excellency Edith Okowa. We also have in our midst Ambassador Dr. Martin Uyomubo. He's former UN Under Secretary and former Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Foreign Affairs here in support. Adora, please come and take.
Before then, those of us here, they should clear. Everybody on this side.
Please.
This camera should go down.
Please let everyone here clear down so that the audience will see the screen. Adora, come over.
Thank you so much. All right, we want to do a few recognition. Very quickly, please, because we are very much out of time. Major General Yakubu Usman, retired member, Presidential Campaign Council, is here. We'd like to welcome you. And Ambassador Pebe Emmanuel, National Coordinator, PDP Global Ambassadors. Having said that, we will be taking the documentary, and this documentary is on the life and times.
Senator Gabriel Suswan, who is here. High Chief, our leader, High Chief Raymond Dokwesi, is also here. Of course, okay, I've done this earlier. I've done this.